Hey everybody, I'm Chef Dad, and this is my Hawaiian Trevally catch and cook. Pop's got dinner. Here we are at a secret spot on the big island of Hawaii. We hiked a long ways to get here in blazing heat. Let's go see if we can get a giant Trevally. Hooked into something good. Trevally? Trevally!
Come on, come on, come on.
Yeah! All right, we got dinner. Look at that beautiful bay. Honking at us. Trevally! How you feel, Pops? Got his fish in front. Pops the master on another Trevally. Oh, damn. Hell yeah. Success is ours. I'm gonna start filleting Dad's Trevally. He's gonna walk us through it. Beautiful fillet. One fish down. Feed the other fish. We're literally right on the ocean here. Just like that, both Trevally are done. All right, we're gonna skin these fillets. Start at the tail and move up towards the head. Same as you do with any other fish. Get it down to the skin. You get a tab here, you get a hold with your finger. Then just keep it along that skin. Then when you can, grab the skin and pull the skin back and forth. Then you'll have this perfect skin. Some people probably fry it and eat it. I don't know. I'm not going to. But you look at this. That's perfect. It's skinned up. There is pin bones in these, so we will address those here in a minute. These are beautiful blue Trevally. Okay. So now we got some pin bones to deal with. Really simple. On the pin bones, they do go all the way down. So you're just going to take, we're going to split these right like that. We're going to take this right on the side of it. Just feel along, you'll feel the pin bones. Don't want to lose excess meat. This is prime meat right here. Half this is going to be on the grill, steamed. The other half is going to be fried. These are tea leaves. A few of these we're going to wrap and do traditionally, kind of traditionally, on the grill. These tea leaves have a bone, that locals call it a bone in it, that runs right up here. So what you do is you take your knife and you slide it underneath and you start peeling that all the way back. Right now, all I'm going to do is I'm going to set this beautiful piece of fillet in this leaf. I'm going to close it up, and tea leaves are going to keep it moist. We're going to wrap it this way. Nice tight package. But you know what I didn't do? I didn't season it at all. So I'm going to unwrap it and redo all that. All right, cool. Genius. We're going to get some Chef Dad smoked salt. Put a nice layer on here. Flip it over. And we want this super simple. We're going to add a little bit of lemon at the end. But right now, this is all we want on here. All right, there's our little package. That's the first one. Okay, we're going to set that to the side right now. So this next one, this is going to be a little bit different. This is going to be a treat. I am going to add a little bit of Chef Dad smoked salt, but not much, because there's going to be a lot of flavor on here. So a little bit of Chef Dad smoked salt just on that side. This is my breakfast sausage. This is the best breakfast sausage you've ever seen. Check out the link up here. You can go learn how to make it, and it will change your breakfast life. What we're going to do is we're going to get a healthy chunk like this. I'm going to get this pan on because this is going to take more time to cook than the fish. And there's 30% fat. Actually, it's about 25% fat in this. So I'm not going to have to worry about it drying out. So I just need to cook this. And then I'm going to set it right on top. And I want it to be about the same shape. So I'll let that start cooking. And I'm going to lay these other two out here. And they're going to sit right on top. Genius me. You know. I didn't put the lemon in there. I'm going to unwrap this yet again. I guess I was unprepared. This is just practice. I get to practice over and over and over and over and over and over. Tea leaves are fine. They're not going to have a problem. I'm going to open this back up. So now I have that Trevally exposed. Nice thin slices. 3 thin slices. Thin. But like that. Okay, fold it back up. Yet again. It's going to steam inside this tea leaf. Make this a nice, beautiful package. Now we're going to put it back in this one. And we're going to wrap it up yet again. So now we've got our sausage going over here. That was pretty good. I flipped it completely over. Look how beautiful that sausage is. And it is hot. So we're going to set that right on top. We're going to take our other fish. We're going to lay it over the top of it. Now we're going to wrap this again just the same. I'm not putting lemon in this one. I'm only going to wrap this one once. These are the tea leaves from the condo here, right on the property. It's so nice. Colony One is one of the best places I have ever been in Hawaii. It's quiet, middle of nowhere. You know what? I'm doing one more. You know why? Because I can. So we're just going to split this one down. And the first way we're going to tie this is right over the top. The other one we're going to tie over this way. Okay, there's our tea leaf packages. Sausage, traditional. We're going to put these in the fridge and we're going to wait until we're ready to cook. Okay, in preparation for frying, I am going to cut these about like that. They will not take long, so I'm going to fry these super hot. Okay, we're going to put together our dredging station. So our first section of this is our, wow, don't get eggs like that in Alaska. So we need our egg. Now we're going to go with our flour. We're going to need about that much flour. So we're going to go in with some smoked salt into our eggs and into our flour. I really enjoy this everything seasoning. You know, it's actually really good. I've not had it before, but you know what? It's good. So I'm going to put a little bit in the eggs, and we're going to put a little bit in the flour. Garlic. A little bit of garlic in the eggs. A little bit of garlic in the flour. Pepper. So we don't need a whole lot of pepper in here. Get everything nice and incorporated. Okay, then we're going to break up our eggs. I'm going to put just a tad of water in there. Get them all mixed up. Eggs are ready. Fish is ready. Flour's ready. We need to get oil in our pan. So let's come over here. And how much oil are we going to use? Probably everything we have left. Yep. Okay, so we're going to use that much oil. Okay, here's our fish in the packages, in our tea leaves. We're going to go get these on the grill. So now it's time to get pops.
Things got to be picked up.
We're in Hawaii. One of them's on, I can tell. That one right there. Gas grill. We are not going to be cooking these over open flame.
It's going to be good.
Now it's time to fry some fish. So we just need this oil to get hot. Fish. This fish is not going to take long, and we want it to stay moist. We're going to double dredge these. Okay. Flour into the egg. Shake off the excess. Flour is going to make the egg stick. Egg's going to make extra flour stick. It's an amazing thing. So, let it drip off there a little bit. Throw it back in the flour. Should have dry hand, wet hand. I don't know. You can do it wet, however you want. But dry hand, wet hand. This one is now wet. This one is dry. So we can cover these up. Stack them over to the side because I can get quite a few of these ready to go. Our pan is starting to smoke, so that means it is plenty hot enough. So I'm going to get a few of these ready to go, and I'm going to get them into that. And you see I've already abandoned my dry hand, wet hand. So I'm going to get these ones going in the oil. These will not take long. Okay, and we're just looking for a beautiful golden brown on these. Oh my goodness, and that was too hot. This is prime meat right here. Too hot. Moving too fast. I miss my wife. She helps me. Mistakes happen. They are done. Alright, those ones turned out good. See that? That's how they should look. Don't get in a hurry. Take your time. Enjoy what you're doing. Chef Dad smoked salt. Start getting these back in here. Okay, that's a better frying. Alright, let's turn it up just a hair. Good job. Okay, by the time I get all these back in there, we'll have to flip that first one. Let's look at that first one that I laid in there. Oh yeah. Don't be in a hurry. Make them nice and beautiful golden brown. But just make sure you got this beautiful golden brown on there. Not like my first batch. All that fish is done. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to move it over to this tray over here. Shake off a little bit of the excess oil. A little bit of Chef Dad smoked salt on there. Let's take a look and see how these are looking. All right, let's take a look. Look at those. Okay. Gonna get them off the grill. All right, let's get these inside and open them up. This one is the sausage and Trevally. Oh, there we go. All right, now let's get open this other one. This is the more traditional. This is just the Trevally.
Look at that. Got some lemons on top.
That one only had to be wrapped 3 times. Fried Trevally.
Okay.
Tea leaf wrapped Trevally. All right, let's make a plate. All right, I know everybody's hungry and they want their food, but I get to try it first. Look at that. That's beautiful. This is the fried Trevally. I don't know what to say. If that was a fish and chip, you could sell it for $100. Oh my gosh, that is so good. That is beyond good. Traditional, wrapped in tea leaf. I don't know, that's a good fish. I don't understand. It's firm, but it's so juicy. Wow, that is super good. All right. Last one, because this one has Chef Dad's breakfast sausage.
See?
Breakfast sausage and fish. What could go wrong? Nothing. Nothing could go wrong. That is phenomenal. All right, everybody. This video up here, YouTube pick for you. That one, that's my playlist. Watch every one of my videos. Right over here, that's a subscription button. Click it. I appreciate you. Click my button. Haha.